beautiful morning this morning. We got loads and loads of sunshine, but it's already getting warm and it's just 8 o'clock. I'm actually expecting a pretty hot day today, so instead of cooking in the studio, which is in the morning in the full sun, I'm deciding I'm probably gonna be cooking here in the shade. All the hard work's done. We got the setup ready, barbecue, lights, and look at this beautiful setup. I'm really liking it. I think this could be a future setup, Marcel. What do you think?
Yeah, we're gonna be here more.
Eva, you like this spot? This is a good spot, right? Oh yes, good spot. I'm kind of waiting on the marinade to reduce by half, so that's gonna take a while. So it's a good time to give you the honors.
Yes.
Racing.
Hard day of work.
I got all my ingredients prepared and now we're getting the car ready. Of course, I'm the lucky guy. Let's get the ride in the Ineos Grenadier. It's here again. Look at that beauty. And I'm really looking forward to this. And this time they also brought more information on the car. So for the guys that have been following along all this time, they know that I'm super excited about this car and I'm really looking forward to maybe order it in the future. And then I have to pick my color. And that color is going to be it's probably not going to be Scottish white or magic mushroom. I do like the Dunny Grey, but I would like it with the orange door wrap. Or the Eldorado blue with the Scottish white roof. That's kind of cool. And that's like the miniature version that I ordered. I don't know if you guys saw that. I have like a miniature version of it. Right here. That's super awesome. And for now, that's all I get to play with. But today I'm also driving this thing to my friend's house, and he's kind of like a car nut, so he's gonna love this. And it's good because he lives in the forest, so we kind of need a car like this to get where he's living. Yo, Mitch.
Yo.
What are you doing, brother?
I made you a table.
You made me a table?
I made you a table.
You made me a table?
Yeah.
I don't need a table. I got a car.
Yeah, but when you're cooking outside of the car, you need some space to put things, right?
Okay.
So now you don't worry about like spoiling.
Making the car dirty.
Yeah.
Good idea.
Yeah. Right.
Yes. All right. Perfect. Let's load her up.
Let's load up.
I just wanted to show you guys a little hack because I'm gonna go on sandy roads and off-road with this thing. If you got a pan of rice like this, you got a problem. Because this pan of rice is gonna be all over your car. But if you take a little piece of elastic, like something out of a camping store or whatever, and just go through the lid, put it on the sides, and then look at this. Ta-da! Your rice is secure. Pitmaster exact. We're recording shots for the main video, and Morrison and Mitchell are going crazy with drone shots and all kinds of cool shots. Of course, I like it too, but it's we're in the car and we got the AC on, so for me it's perfectly fine. But it's really funny because we've been driving on the same piece of road for a while, back and forth, and I think we got some amazing shots. So if we do, well, it's in the video. We're gonna go to the location where we're gonna be cooking for my friend finally. And he also likes cars, so that's why I'm bringing this car along. And but it's really fun, so to be with him, cooking from the back of this car and doing like a barbecue and giving me a little bit more inspiration and then celebrating his new job. It's gonna be awesome. I just arrived at my friend's house. We got the car set up already in the right location. But now I'm just looking for my friend. So I found my friend.
Oh, hey.
Hey, congratulations, man, on your new job.
Thanks a lot, yeah.
So I decided you need a congratulations meal, like a celebration meal.
Okay, that would be awesome, yeah.
Yeah?
Okay. What do you have in store for me?
I won't tell you.
Okay.
Otherwise the surprise is gone.
Okay, you will keep it a secret.
But it's
from
plenty.
me. Okay, I'm looking forward.
So I'm gonna be cooking. We're
Yeah.
gonna set up. You just do what you do.
Okay.
Probably work.
Oh yeah, I'm still working.
Yeah. See, some people need to work.
Okay, please let me know if I can do anything.
Yeah. Eat the food.
Okay, I will
Okay.
do that, yeah. Okay, thanks. Good
Yep.
luck.
Just finished cooking. The Napoleon Kettle Pro did a super awesome job, and I got my pan right here. Look, right there. Look at it. Veggies, rice. I'm not turning into a health freak, don't worry, because I also have. Look at this, a mountain of meat. Whoa! Does that look good or what? Look at it, amazing. All right. Little drive. The cooking is done, and now starts the fun. We can drive in this Passion, do some off-road things that we haven't been able to test yet. Of course, this is a test model of Ineos Grenadier. Right, we're in the pasture. The cows are getting a little bit nervous, but that's fine. I will get out because my friend Mark, you're going in. My friend Mark is going in the car because yeah, it's basically a nice surprise for you.
Awesome.
He's a car enthusiast. He can talk about cars all day, and then when I fall asleep, he still keeps talking.
Can I sit in the front, yeah?
Have fun.
If you want to go to the backside pasture, you can go on the right side. And if you feel brave, you can also go to the middle portion, but I'm not sure how deep that is currently.
See the cows? The cows are super interested. Thought they'd be more scared, but they're not scared at all. They love cars apparently. So look at that. This one loves cars. You like the car? It was a hectical, busy day, and why is your face so red, man?
It's hot.
It's hot.
It's way too hot.
They said it's less hot than yesterday. It doesn't feel less hot.
It doesn't feel. I don't believe it.
We got one more question.
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah. Yeah.
You already happy with the results that
Yeah.
we shot today?
Yeah. I wish my answers would make more sense, but yes.
You see, Morrison's worn out. I think we should close the vlog. Thank you guys for coming along with this on this journey of today's video experience. This is the day in our life. Like, this is what we do. We grind and grind and grind to get you guys the best footage. And now you see it in real life. See you guys next time.